Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Scott here, Bean Creek Woodworks. Today we're in the garage again. Got my onefinity Elite Foreman CNC router. We're going to play with that today. Try to make us a couple little signs for spring. And we'll see how that goes. I'm still kind of learning on it, so come along and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we're over here at the computer right now. I got my little drive here. We'll plug this into the side of the computer. This is going to be our program. And we want to take and over here and get rid of that. My cursor go. I think my battery's going dead. Here we go. Get rid of that. Save that. We'll save our tool pass. Come down, put it in our D drive. There. Save it. And it takes care of that. Put it in here. We'll take it over to the router and plug her in. Alright, this is our board. Our board surface. I put this called some kind of tape. I can't remember the name now, but you put that on there, and then it carves the letters out in it, and then you can paint the letters without getting it on your board. So, aura mask. That's what it's called. So we're all set up there. We got our tool zeroed out. Our start position. So I think all we gotta do is hit the go button, so let's give her a try. Alright, over here on the mask, so plug that in there. Probably getting a terrible glare off there, aren't you? Yeah, it ain't too bad right there. Hit load file. You wanna load this one. Load it. Load it. Oops. Load it. There she goes. That's the wrong one. Do 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 do. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but I guess you can see it. It's going to create two signs anyways. That's the program we want. We'll hit a program over here. And then we got to get everything else set up, and I'll bring you back. Alright, well, there it is. Finished product, almost. Took and peeled all that ore mask off, and then I took and run it through my belt sander. I had a little overspray, so we took all it off. Hit it with the orbital sander. Now it is ready for a little polyurethane, so let's give it a spray. That stuff soaks right in. All this is just time. So we'll just hit it again real quick. Give it about 3 coats, I think. Just like. Alright guys, there you go. 2 signs turned out pretty good, I guess. If you are a plant lover, you'll understand that. Just one more. I know a plant lover, and boy, it's always just one more. So, kind of gearing up for the spring thing. I'm doing a few craft shows and that. And wanted to get some springtime themed stuff done. Onefinity makes easy work of it, I tell you what. All in all, I got about probably not even an hour into them 2 signs, so that's pretty good. So we'll put them up for sale at the next craft show and see if they bring any money, whatever. So wanted to thank you guys. 500 subscribers. We finally broke that 500 mark. Shoot, been trying some different stuff with the channel. Tuesdays, I'm gonna start posting on Tuesdays now, and maybe Thursdays if I can keep up with it, but probably gonna be doing on Tuesdays. We'll post, and that day seems to be a good day working out for me as far as, you know, the subscribers coming in and watch time and that. Because I got the 500 subscribers now, so now I need the watch time. So I'm a little behind on that. So if you watched the video all the way through today, I appreciate it. That helps out. Give it a like so the next guy will do it, you know. So appreciate that. Anyhow, I guess that's gonna do it for this video. As always, I appreciate you, and like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.